What's going on, everybody? I just wanted to come on here, just do a quick recap of a swing trade that I took yesterday. So I bought a weekly put on SanDisk, which is a very popular memory stock. They've been very volatile, up 20, 30% week in and week out. I was bearish because we had inversed a weekly fair value gap, which is a very high time frame. And there was good lows to target as well as a gap that has not been filled. So those are kind of my main confluences behind this trade. I simply just took a 5 minute fair value gap entry. It wasn't an inversion. It tapped into a 5 minute bearish fair value gap, and I simply played the continuation. I did not know it was going to go as low as it did. I'm not mad at it. Again, I had entered this trade at 2 p.m. Central, so I did have to hold overnight. There was an additional catalyst that helped this keep running down, which was a Korean memory stock. They had their earnings and they did really good, but they didn't do as good as investors thought. So that stock started dumping with it being in the same sector as SanDisk and Micron. They all started kind of dumping together, which obviously helped my trade. To be honest, I did not know that earnings call was even yesterday or last night. So this was a bit risky, but it did play out in my favor this go around. You guys can see in the bottom right, like I was down, almost 11%. So like pretty much $1,100 in this trade. But I was really confident in the draw, really confident that like we're really bearish at the moment. So let me try to capitalize on it. So I knew, obviously, I was watching this overnight. I can't close my position overnight because the stock market closes. So I was just watching it. I saw that ES and NQ were also kept dumping. That was another confluence. SPY was shooting up, but NQ was not. And if you guys watch previous videos, like you do not, if they're not correlated, you don't want to be in that trade. So the fact that NQ had so much weakness, it just gave me more confidence to just take this trade. So you'll see here, market opens in about 1 minute. And again, I'm looking to instantly close this trade. So I'm setting limits. I'm trying to get it filled. And it took me probably about like 20, 30 seconds to get it filled. And we did drop below after this, but again, I'm not being greedy. So once I was finally able to close this, I closed it for a little bit over $4,000. Again, this was a swing trade expiring at the end of the week. Hope you guys learned something. Later.